In the tapestry of life, few threads are as strong and enduring as the bond between a mother and her child. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in a world where love knows no bounds, sacrifice knows no limits, and hope flickers brightly even in the darkest of times. Join us as we share stories that celebrate the extraordinary journey of motherhood, resilience, bravery, and most importantly, the healing power of love. As always, feel free to pause the video at any time to read at your own pace. Don't forget to turn on subtitles so that you can follow along more easily. Hello, dear friends, it's me. In today's video, we are going to learn English through a very touching story about a sick mother and her loving child. Let's dive right in. Our story begins in a small, cozy house nestled in a quiet neighborhood. Inside this house lived a woman named Sarah. She was not just any woman. She was a devoted mother to two wonderful children. Life had been kind to her, blessing her with a loving husband and a home filled with laughter and warmth. But fate had a different plan. Sarah was diagnosed with a serious illness that shook her family to the core. As the news of her condition spread, the community rallied around them, showering them with support and care. Friends, neighbors, and even strangers reached out, offering help and sharing words of encouragement. Amidst the outpouring of support, there was one heart that shone particularly brightly. Their eldest son, Tom. Tom was a young boy with a heart full of courage and a determination that belied his years. He understood the gravity of his mother's illness, yet instead of succumbing to fear, he became her pillar of strength. Days turned into weeks, and the entire community waited anxiously for Sarah's recovery. But her health remained fragile, posing numerous challenges ahead. Undeterred by the difficulties, Tom took it upon himself to become his mother's caretaker. He assisted with daily tasks, providing comfort and solace whenever she needed it. His younger brother Sam, though too young to comprehend the complexities of the situation, sensed the seriousness of their mother's illness and tried his best to be supportive in his own sweet way. Sarah's condition continued to pose significant challenges. Medical care was expensive, leaving the family with mounting bills that threatened to add stress to their already difficult situation. Yet through it all, Tom's spirit remained unbroken. He organized bake sales, car washes, and even started a small business mowing lawns in the neighborhood. His determination to raise money for his mother's treatment was inspiring. The community, touched by his efforts, supported him wholeheartedly. People not only donated generously, but also shared his story, raising awareness about Sarah's plight. Sarah's illness became a defining moment for Tom. It was a test of his resilience, compassion, and unwavering love for his mother. Despite the physical and emotional toll it took on him, he never faltered. He juggled his responsibilities as a son, student, and caretaker with remarkable maturity. His actions not only helped his mother, but also brought the community closer together. They witnessed firsthand the true meaning of courage, kindness, and the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child. One evening, as Sarah lay in her bed, she looked at her sons with tears in her eyes. She knew that words could not express the depth of her gratitude for their love and support. In a soft, raspy voice, she told them how proud she was of them, emphasizing that their love and bravery were the greatest gifts she could have asked for. She hugged them tightly, cherishing the moment and storing it in the chambers of their hearts forever. As the story of Sarah's illness continued to unfold, Tom and Sam's father, David, played a pivotal role. David was a man who loved his wife and children with all his heart. He was not only their husband and father, but also their protector, their confidant, and their source of strength. When Sarah's illness was diagnosed, David felt a wave of emotions wash over him: fear, sadness, and a deep sense of responsibility. He knew that their lives were about to change dramatically, but instead of succumbing to despair, David channeled his emotions into action. He became a beacon of support for both Sarah and his sons, ensuring that they never felt alone in their struggle. He worked tirelessly, taking on extra shifts at work to provide for his family, while also being there to offer emotional support and comfort whenever they needed it. David's love for Sarah was evident in the way he cared for her. He assisted her with daily tasks, never losing patience or displaying anger. He was her rock, providing stability and reassurance during the most turbulent times. He also played a crucial role in supporting Tom in his endeavors to raise money for his mother's treatment. David saw the determination in his eldest son's eyes and encouraged him, providing guidance and helping him organize his fundraising activities. He explained to Sam, in age-appropriate ways, what his mother was going through, fostering a sense of understanding and bravery in the young boy. David's actions did not go unnoticed. The community respected and admired him for the way he handled the situation with grace and strength. He was a true embodiment of a loving husband and father who refused to be defeated by the challenges life had thrown their way. As Sarah's condition continued to evolve, David remained steadfast in his commitment to his family. He faced each day with a combination of strength and vulnerability, ensuring that his wife and children knew they were deeply loved and supported. His story is a testament to the power of love, resilience, and the importance of family bonds in overcoming adversity. Let's take a moment to think about the story we've heard. Can you remember the main characters? What were their names? Do you remember any of the challenging situations they faced? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create more engaging and effective content for you. Also, keep those comments coming. Now let's move on to some vocabulary and grammar exercises based on our story. These exercises will help you practice and improve your English skills while also deepening your understanding of the story. So let's get started. Thank you for joining me on this heartwarming journey. We've explored the depths of love, courage, and the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child. If you enjoyed this story and want to continue exploring more touching tales, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your support means the world to us and inspires us to bring you more amazing content. Till next time, stay blessed and keep embracing the beauty of life.